we've got to algebraically solve these two simultaneous equations. Now, the second one, 2y plus 2x equals 3, that's going to be the equation of a straight line. The other one has got an x squared in it, so it's going to be some sort of quadratic looking graph, and what we're trying to find is where the two intersect, so where the line intersects with the quadratic. So we're probably going to be looking for two sets of solutions. So we're going to have two separate values of x and y, and they're going to be equivalent to the two coordinates, or the coordinates of the 2 points where the line intersects with the quadratic curve. Now, the way we do it is we look at the second equation, and if we rearrange that, then we're going to have 2y equals 3 minus 2x. And what we can do then is we can substitute that into the first equation, and that's going to give us 2x squared plus 3 minus 2x equals 7. Get everything onto one side, so 2x squared minus 2x plus 3 minus 7 equals 0. So in other words, 2x squared minus 2x minus 4 equals 0. It's going to be a little bit easier if we take the 2 out, so 2 into x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0, and then we can factorise this. X, now minus 2 has got to be either a minus 2 and a plus 1, or a plus 2 and a minus 1. Because we've got a minus x there, I think it's going to be minus 2 and plus 1. And you can always quickly check, x by x is x squared, x times 1 is x, minus 2x gives us the minus x, and then minus 2 times 1 is just minus 2. What that means is that we've either got x equals 2 or x equals minus 1. So those are two solutions, but we haven't finished yet because we need to find the corresponding y values for each of those. And to do that, we just substitute in. So when x is 2, we're going to have 2y equals 3 minus 2 times 1, which is just 3 minus 2, which is 3 minus 2 times 2, because x is 2. That's going to be 3 minus 4, which is minus 1, so y is going to be minus a half. Okay, and that's going to give us our first complete solution here. X is 2 and y equals minus a half. Okay, sometimes you might see these written as a coordinate, because that will be the coordinate of one of the points where the line intersects with the curve. Okay, now the other one is when x is minus 1. So to find y, we just do 2y equals 3 minus 2 times, running out of room, 2 times minus 1 equals 3 plus 2 equals 5. So y equals 5 over 2. And there we have our second solution, x equals minus 1, y equals 5 over 2. And some people might write it like that. Okay, now I said that these two solutions represent the coordinates of the 2 points where the line intersects with the curve. So I'll show you using the free graphing software Desmos. I'll show you what the curves look like. And And there you can see in red we've got the 2x squared plus 2y equals 7 curve, and in blue we've got the straight line 2y plus 2x equals 3. Now if I zoom in, we might be able to see that, yeah, one of the points there is this one here. X is -1 and y is 5/2, and the other point is down here, and at that point we've got x is 2 and y equals -1/2.